know, this is really, I didn't expect this to happen, but oh my god, now the fact that this is happening, parang kinikilabutan na ako, I don't know what to do. Just kidding. Anyway, this is Angelo from Yaps and Noise, and then we got none other than Diego Mapa of Egg Boy. It is such an honor. I really appreciate this.
Hello, thank you for having me.
Yes, very sick band. Sobrang angas nila, 100%. If you don't like them, then you can unfollow my channel, unsubscribe, you suck. Anyway, okay, so first thing na gusto kong tanong, paano ba nagsimula yung Egg Boy at ano yung inspiration dun sa name mismo?
Actually, yung Egg Boy is my solo project in 1997 because my brother gifted me with a 4-track cassette recorder, and then I made music with it with whatever I had. So it's either a toy keyboard, acoustic guitar, electric guitar, drums of my friend, drum machine, and then I was listening to a lot of indie pop, indie rock at that time. So, but I had another band, which is Monsterbot, which is a noisier, band.
Wait.
Yeah,
I love that.
That was my first band.
Yeah.
So I needed a name for the side project. So Egg Boy kasi my relatives call me Egg from Jeg. So I just added the boy. Because maybe from Air Sexy Boy, I don't know if you're familiar with that song. So that's why it's Egg Boy.
So speaking about that, because you just brought that up, I honestly never knew, to be honest, because first time na napanood ko, nakita ko yung parang music video ng Explosive.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So when you mentioned now, it just made me ask you this new question. How was it like performing sa New Rock Awards of 2001 or 2002? I don't remember which one exactly was it. It's 2001.
Correct. It was fun. It was a humbling experience because you hardly get invited to those kinds of gigs, and it was one of our first big gigs, I guess, with Monsterbot.
Oh, well, how was it like performing with like yung mga nu metal na bands? Kasi diba, medyo parang ano yung crowd nun eh. Like, you know, the nu metal crowd being a bit.
Right.
Yeah.
It's a different audience, pero okay lang when you're brought into that situation. You just do your thing. And also those new metal bands are all our friends, so it's okay. They did not show any bullying or whatever. If you might think that way.
Alright, so another thing that I want to ask, syempre, like, you know, with one of your most known songs is Nagsawa Ka Na Ba, diba? What was the inspiration behind making that song?
Actually, obviously it's a breakup song, but the lyrics is supposedly it's from the perspective of the person broken up, right, in the song, but actually the perspective of the song is actually the guy who broke up. Parang ganun. Yes.
Well, speaking about that, we have another thing I want to ask. Ano ba yung inspiration between yung unknown wrestler na action figure? Ano ba yung parang main sa design niyo? Kasi parang di ba may question mark, gano'n?
Right. Before everybody knows Egg Boy 9805, the t-shirt.
Yeah.
The t-shirt. But actually before that, there's 3 EPs. So it's Taste Test, Unknown Wrestler, and Every Day Starting the Day. So the Unknown Wrestler is just my doodling of a wrestler who has a question mark in his head. So the unknown wrestler, as if he's making love songs on the side, something like that. But only this year, because I knew a friend, which is Epoxy Children. They invited me to do a figure with them, So I pitched The Unknown Wrestler, and then they're the ones who made it into an action figure.
Ooh.
Actually, unposable, but art figures.
Mas naman nun. Well, speaking about that, since you brought up those EPs up, as far as I know, to my knowledge, they cannot be found in social media.
Which one? Sorry.
Yung mga EPs na sinabi, are they like the type?
Before I used to sell them in CDRs, burnt
Yeah.
in CDRs, and sell them in gigs, and also sold them online before Facebook even got very popular.
Yeah.
So actually, it's out of print. So yeah.
Because like I've been I'm not sure. I may be mistaken. I want you to correct me if I'm wrong. Pero like hindi ko alam kung nakikita pa siya sa YouTube. It's kind of like lost media at this point.
Well, most of those songs are in 9805.
Oh.
Just there are choice tracks that are not there.
Oh.
So actually, your 9805 is a collection of the 3 EPs. Yeah, parang best of the best siya.
Gets.
It's like an anthology.
Yeah. But would you say like yung mixing sa mga it's different or it's exact?
No, it's the same.
Oh, it's the same.
It's the same. Except for the vinyl version kasi it was remastered. Pero yung what you're hearing in Bandcamp and Spotify is my original mixes.
Okay. Well, that's cool. Well, another thing that I want to ask is no, let me go before I check the other stuff. I also want to wonder. Anong thoughts mo naman sa parang, let's say, the growth of like the underground indie scene nowadays?
Okay.
Kasi diba parang, it's like, became way bigger as a scene now and stuff. And what are your thoughts regarding the growth of it?
Actually, that's a good thing kasi what we're seeing now, what we're enjoying now is hard to get by before. Parang before the sound system is better now. The gig spots are safer. Not like before, parang you can get into fights if you're not careful. There's more acceptance in the music. It's not anymore like when you're gonna play metal in a food court. Now, you'd probably be more accepted than before when you play like death in a food court. So parang mas may accepted na siya at parang nothing shocking na nga, di ba? Unless you say something inappropriate. Pero yun nga, we're lucky to have what we have now. So actually enjoy it while it lasts.
Yeah.
And hopefully it will be stronger, right? We pray that it will go through the years.
Very cool. Well, another thing that I wanted to ask was like, how was it like making the music video of Wag Mag-alala? Kasi diba, as far as I know, that was taken sa credits ng Strange Brew, diba?
Correct. Correct. How was it shot? Actually, Strange Brew, si R.A. Rivera, which is my bandmate at Pedica. Now, at that time, wala pa siya sa Pedica. So, nung ginawa namin yon, para i-invite na ako, dala ka ng gitara, gawa tayo ng music video dun sa ending ng credits. So that's just me walking around the parking lot of their office, actually. So, yun, we made a music video out of that.
So it's really cool. Well, I'm gonna go wrap this up with 3 more questions. So the first one, ano yung lore behind the Uno Documento compilation?
Okay. The Uno Documento compilation, wala ang Egg Boy doon, actually. But because of that, si Ernest Concepcion, one of the head of that label, I really like Uno Documento, and I wrote him a letter na if he could release Egg Boy, which is Everyday Starting Today, and then he accepted it. So, but we released it only a few CDs and Bandcamp and his website at the time.
That's so cool. It's like, yeah, that's amazing. Okay, so the second one is, out of all, like, let's say, of course, with the indie scene being bigger now, what would you say are like your top 3 artists that you really enjoy listening to that are from this modern age, from the indie or underground scene lately?
I'm biased because they're my friends,
Yeah.
but top of my mind, I like Ligumia Forga, and then I like also Memory Drawers. And I like also Space Dog, Space Cat.
Oh yeah, that was good.
I see we were all almost in one band. I also like Ella Mori. I also like Flamingo. I like also Party Pace. Yun pa lang. That's for Bad Wave, gusto ko yung Bad Wave.
Oh, Bad Wave, yeah. Really good, I really love that. Okay, so the last thing I want to ask you, meron kang kinakain eh? Anong kinakain?
Wala akong kinakain.
Meron, let's say, if ever you're eating something right now in your mind. Parang cravings.
Pau-bao ng Kowloon. You know that?
Yeah.
Yun. I might order it or not.
Yeah.
But I was looking for it a while ago.
Oh, I see. All right. So yeah, do you have any future gigs or announcements that you want to announce to the?
When is this gonna come?
Future gigs like let's say Egg Boy or any of your bands.
I guess just check out, add me up, add my bands up in Instagram, Pedicab Manila, Tarsius Manila, in Facebook, it's for Egg Boy, it's Egg Boy Fan Club.
Oh.
And also, I sell records in Rosano Records, in Instagram and also in Facebook.
Yeah, that's really sick. All right, this is Diego Mapa of Egg Boy, Monster Bond, and Pedicab. Yeah, that's all. This is Angelo from Yaps and Noise signing off.